Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing some colorful makeup, my version of colorful makeup. Anyways, if you are new here, hi, my name is Erica. I create beauty videos and hair videos. If those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe button right now. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this eyeshadow look. So just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing my left side of my eye. I did one off camera, of course. So I'm just going to be taking this e.l.f. hydrating camo concealer. This was in my previous video. This is in tan walnut. So we're going to be taking this concealer and I'm just going to use that as a base. I want to use a little bit because this product is very creamy and it moves a lot. Yeah, so I'm gonna be just diffusing that all over my eye, and I chose to use this color just so well, I feel like I can't talk and do this at the same time. I chose a lighter concealer just to make my colors pop, you guys. So like, I wanted to use the Juvias Place Zulu Palette. This is my first time using a Juvias Place eyeshadow palette, period. So I picked up this one because I was like, oh, the colors. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna do a little colorful look, right? I start doing a look. I started out with my browns and I'm like, oh Lord, it's about to be a soft glam. So I chose this blue to give it some pop. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more concealer because like I lost some color. I'm just gonna use my finger. Like sometimes when I use my finger, I just feel like it still be too much product on the eye. But I guess not. And I feel like I'm just taking product off. That's why I use the sponge. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to be going in this palette and I'm going to be using this orange. What the hell? I'm going to be using this orange shade and then I'm going to go into the brown shade and then I'm going to go into the yellow shade. So yeah, let's do that. And I'm using like this size brush. So orange, and I'm just going to be tapping this product. I need to change that. Okay, here we go. Just taking this orange and just applying it to where I want it to be. And y'all, these eyeshadows are super duper pigmented. Like, look at that. Then I'm gonna just kind of like clean off my brush just a little bit, and I'm gonna be going into that yellow shade and I'm going right on top. And just kind of like diffusing that orange, kind of like blending without actually blending just yet. Now I'm gonna go in with this brush here. It's a bit smaller than the first brush and it's a little bit fluffier. Go back into that yellow. I'm gonna apply it now. I'm just gonna kind of blend just a little bit. So then with the previous brush, I'm going in with that brown shade. This brown is super warm toned. I actually like this brown. This is a nice brown. And I'm going right underneath that orange. And this little flow right here, this little blend right here is so nice. Y'all, it's been a minute since I did like an eyeshadow look. And I feel like I'm rusty. I don't know, but I'm going back in with the blending brush. Just gonna diffuse. Like, I really feel like I'm rusty. Like, girl, I gotta get back on it, because I've been enjoying like soft glams and little to no like shadow. But that blend right there is really nice. I'm going back into that orange with the blending brush just to bring it back a bit. Then I'm going to go in that yellow to bring that back. And we're just like building our colors, you guys. I always feel like I do the second eye better than I do the first, because the second eye I know exactly what I'm doing. Does anybody else feel like they do that? If you do your eyeshadow like one eye at a time, I kind of like to do that so I can kind of map out what I'm doing. Okay, so next I'm going to go in that green shade, and then, well, it's like a teal shade, and I'm going to the sparkly like teal blue shade. So this is where I thought I messed up, honestly. I'm just applying. I did not want to do like a cut crease or anything like that. I wanted to do a pop of color without doing the cut crease. So I started with this matte shade first to have like a base color, because I didn't want to put that sparkly blue like on what was there. And I kind of like this better by itself. Like, maybe I should have left it matte, but I don't know. So I'm just applying this what is this, like teal? Yeah, this teal color. And then I'm going to take that blending brush once again and diffuse the colors. Then I'm going to go back in with that brown shade and apply it to the outer edge of my eye. And try to blend those two colors as much as possible. Going back into that blue, you guys, I'm just building up my color. And now I'm going to go into that sparkly shade, and this is so pretty. And then we're gonna blend, 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 blend. Alright, so I'm going to be going back into that brown with the blending brush. Like, I know I'm just using like, I know I'm really just using like 2-3 brushes max. Going back into that orange, because I like the way that looks. Yellow. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to be going off grid and going to my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is the Jackiana palette. I'm going in the shade Credit. Show you guys. I'm going in this shade Credit, damn, here. And I'm going to use that as a liner, you guys, on the eye. And it is so nice as a liner. And I love these eyeshadows as well, because they're super like creamy and blendable. Look how pigmented that is over that green. Y'all, this is the most I've worn makeup the last couple days in like the last 4 months. Because Miss Rona got me like, I ain't doing no makeup for what? So I'm going back in with that same shade Credit, and I'm just kind of deepen the outer edge, kind of blend it. And I'm going to be going in the previous brown that we put in our crease area. And I'm going to go underneath. And I like to blow my shadows out. I think it looks so bad. Same shade brown. I just want a little bit more precision. And then same shade I got using my liner. I'm gonna on the lash line, guys. Okay. So now, this lash get on my nerves. So now I'm just going to be applying some mascara. And this is the e.l.f. mascara. Like, what is this? I don't have a specific name. Black waterproof. So for my inner corner, I'm going to be like, this is supposed to be a Juvia's eyeshadow tutorial, which it is. I'm just trying to use some products I have not used in my videos yet. So this is iMagic Professional Cosmetic Pigment. I got this off AliExpress, y'all. It's just a pigment, a gold pigment. I'm putting that in the inner corner. Of the eye. I actually use, and I'm gonna do that. So I actually use this shade down here for the inner corner. I use that first. I'm going all out of order, but it's okay. It's, you know, a little makeup tutorial. Makeup has no rules. So I'm gonna go in like that. I'm going in kind of messy. And then I'm gonna go back in that pigment because I want a little poppy pop. And now I'm gonna be doing my lashes off camera, and I'm gonna come back. We're going to do blush of the day, highlight of the day, lips of the day. Okay guys, so lashes are on, and I'm going to be going to my BH Cosmetic Blush Neutrals palette. And I'm going to be using this blush here, and I'm going to be mixing it. I'm going to do those two. I have not used them in a while, so let's use them. Like, I feel like my face looks so dry and dusty right now, and it's only because I have not sprayed my face with a setting spray. Well, it looks so underwhelming. I don't know, but let's apply this blush to give myself some more color. I don't know, I just feel like I look washed out. I don't know, maybe it's me today. I hate when my nose start running, bruh. Let me get something. So blush is on. Why do I feel like I look so dusty? I don't know, let me hurry up spray my face, child. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a highlighter. I'm using the, I don't know if I'm saying this right. It's Gui Cami highlighter. It's that company. It don't have a name. It has a name on it has a name on the website, but it's not on here. But this is what she looks like. She is so pretty, and she's so bright. She's like this white gold. Y'all know what type of highlighter I like by now. So on the nose, maybe I just needed to add some highlight. Maybe that's what I was missing. And my lips looking real crusty right now, and I put on chapstick. But let's apply this. little bit there. Okay, so that is highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face, get this face together, you guys. All right. I feel less dusty for sure. I think I overdid my setting powder, honestly. It looks really good. I might have to change my shirt because I feel like my shirt is clashing with the colors. But anyways, last thing I'm going to do is my lips up today. So I'm going to be doing a combo. I'm going to be using the, this is the Nika K. Let me make sure I'm right. Yeah, this is the Nika K liquid lipstick. This, show y'all, it is in Choco Craze. So I'm going to be using that as a liner. Oh my lord, I'm just running out of stuff. So then I'm going in with Juvias Place. This is not the lip gloss. This is their liquid. It's not a liquid lipstick. Yeah, I can't remember. But this is in Caramel Rose. If you watch my Juvias Place lip products, you know exactly what this is. Okay, so I'm going to apply that in the center. And then I'm going to go back in Choco Craze. And then I'm going to be adding a gloss right on top. And this is just a regular gloss. It's called Kiss Proof Lip Finish. I'm gonna spray my face one more time because I'm crazy. Alright, you guys, this looks good. This looks really, really nice. I thought it was going to be ugly, I ain't gonna lie, because I'm just a bit rusty with eyeshadow right now. But this look turned out really, really good. I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup tutorial. Let me know if you want to see more makeup tutorials in the future. As always, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will not miss any of my uploads. I will see you guys in my next video.